Hello, good morning, dear students. I think everyone got this link. Now just type good morning and your name. Hi. So in the previous class, we learned about how to find out the factors. How to find out the factors. That is by finding the zero of the polynomial. If, for example, if we have a function that is f of x is equals to x minus 5, then how to find out the zero of the polynomial? So we have to substitute value of the variable such a way that it must give the total function value as 0. So therefore this is possible only when x is equals to 5. So when I substitute x equals to 5, I will get the function value or the polynomial value as 0. So I will write here f of 5, then it becomes 5 minus 5, it becomes 0. So this function becomes 0, that means the x minus 5 is a factor of f of x when x equals to 5. See, listen out carefully. X minus 5 is factor of f of x when x equals to 5. Only in that case it is a factor. In other case it is not the factor of that function. So today we are going to learn exercise 2.4. Some problems are related to saying this polynomial and find out whether the given term is a factor of the given polynomial or not. So for that we have to note one theorem, that is factor theorem. That is factor theorem. So factor theorem states that if p of x, of degree, p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1, then we have two conditions. First one, if p of a equals to 0, then we can consider then x minus a is a factor. Okay, x minus a is a factor. Or if x minus a is a factor, then p of a equals to 0. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a equals to 0. So here, if p of x is a polynomial of degree 1 or greater than 1, if p of x is a polynomial of degree 1 or greater than 1, then here arises two cases. The first one is if p of a, so that means in the place of x we have to substitute a, and if we get that as 0, then x minus a. So here if I substitute here a in the place of x, if I substitute a, it becomes a minus a, it becomes 0. Then so that means we'll get the remainder. Then the given term is a factor of the given polynomial. And in the reverse, that's vice versa case. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a equals to 0. In the first case, if p of a equals to 0 we consider. If p of a equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor. And in the second case, it is vice versa, that is reverse process. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a equals to 0. If p of a equals to 0, p equals to 0. So this is about factor theorem. So it looks like a big theorem, but that is same as just in the previous class we solved problems how to get the remainder as 0. If remainder is 0, then the given term is a polynomial. Okay, g of x is a polynomial of p of x. So that's the same thing. So that is given in some mathematical form. Now we will solve the problems related to this factor theorem. That means whether the given term is a factor of given polynomial or not. The first question is use the factor theorem to determine whether check g of x is a factor of p of x. This exercise 2.4. Check g of x is a factor of p of x, and the given function is p of x equals to, so just along with you note down all the questions in your rough note and try to solve the problems along with me. Okay, p of x equals to 2x cube plus x square, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 1. The given polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 is the given polynomial, and one factor is given, so we have to check whether it is a factor or not. That is g of x equals to x plus 1. G of x equals to x plus 1. Okay, so here p of polynomial is given, that is p of x, and g of x, one term is given. Now we have to find out this g of x is a factor of p of x or not. So that is by using the same procedure. In the first main, they not give the statement, they not give use factor theorem, but here they give factor theorem, but the procedure is same. That means first we have to consider g of x equals to 0. So what happens when g of x equals to 0? We will check. If g of x equals to 0, then x plus 1 equals to 0. This implies x equals to minus. Correct? G of x equals to 0 we consider. And what happens when g of x equals to 0 means x plus 1 equals to 0. So then plus 1, when it moves to the other side of the equality side, it becomes minus 1. Therefore, x equals to minus 1. Now, what is the next step? What we have to do in the next step? Same thing, we have to take this x value and we have to substitute in p of x. Okay, so I write substitute x equals to minus 1 in p of x. Just solve this and comment with answer. First, answer is 0 given by Shreya, and Lokesh give answer is 1. First, substitute. So just concentrate on the negative value and the power and solve. Concentrate on the negative value because x is here minus 1, and see the powers, check whether it is odd or even, and then substitute and tell me the comment with the answer first. Okay, I will solve now. P of x means here minus 1, that is equals to 2 into x cube, x value is minus 1 whole cube, plus x value is minus 1, it is x square, therefore minus 1 square, then minus 2 into x value is minus 1 minus 1. So now what it becomes? P of minus 1 equals 2 into. So minus, so 1 cube it is 1 only, because 1 into 1 it is 1, 1 into 1. So therefore it gives minus 1 only. Then plus minus raised to even power, therefore gives plus 1. Then minus into minus plus 2, and remaining is minus 1. So now next step, P of minus 1 equals plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, The remaining is plus 2. Therefore, P of minus 1 equals to 0. Yes, 0 is the answer. Therefore, so here we got the remainder as 0. Therefore, g of x is a factor of p of x. G of x is a factor of p of x. Just look at the steps once again. As Parvati Praneeth gave answer as 0. That's correct. Just look at all the steps once again. So understood this problem, just click on the like button. See here, I consider g of x equals to 0. When g of x equals to 0, what becomes? The x plus 1 becomes 0. Then the x equals to minus 1. The next step, we have to substitute that x equals to minus 1 in the given polynomial. And I substitute here, it becomes p of minus 1 equals to 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. And we have to see the power. If the power is odd, then we will get the negative value or negative sign. If the power is even, then we will get the positive sign. Okay. When the power is odd, we will get the negative value, negative sign. If the power is even, then we will get the positive sign. Okay. Therefore, g of x is a factor. Then I will solve the next problem. P of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 This is a given polynomial. Polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and the given term is g of x equals to x plus 2. Just try to solve fast. The given polynomial and g of x value is given. What is the first step here? We have to consider the given term as 0. Consider g of x equals to 0. When g of x equals to 0, so this implies x plus 2 equals to 0. Correct? G of x equals to 0, that means x plus 2 equals to 0. So when x plus 2 equals to 0, then what is the value of this implies? Value of x equals to plus 2, when it goes to the other side it becomes minus 2. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. Now substitute this value in the given polynomial. Substitute x equals to minus 2 in p of x. Just solve and comment with answer. So Arvind, Rajeshwari, Sharada gave answer as minus 1. Any other answer? Chetan gave 2 and minus 1. Akash gave minus 1 as the answer. Now we'll check. P of, here not minus 1, here value of x is minus 2. P of minus 2 equals to minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into x value minus 2 plus 1. Okay, minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So now next step, p of minus 2. So minus raised to odd term. Okay, minus raised to odd term. Therefore, the value is negative only. Then 2 cube. 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 to 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Plus 3 into minus raised to even power, it becomes plus, and 2 square, 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6, plus 1. The next step, P of minus 2 equals to minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 6 plus 1. Then P of minus 2 equals minus 8 plus 12. Okay, here you have to consider the sign. See, for example, if I consider these two terms, minus 8 plus 12. If I consider these two terms, 12 minus 6. If I consider these two terms, it becomes minus 6 plus 1. Okay, not 6 plus 1. This is wrong. We have to consider minus 6 plus 1. So minus 8 plus 12, it gives 4 because sign of the highest value is plus and both are having different sign. That we have to subtract. 12 minus 8, it gives 4. Then sign of highest term is plus. Plus 4. Minus 6 plus 1, both are having different sign. That we have to subtract. And 6 minus 1, it gives 5. And sign of highest term is minus. So therefore, it gives minus 1 as the answer. Okay, plus 4 minus 5 gives minus 1 as the answer. Therefore, we are not getting the remainder as 0. Therefore, g of x is not a factor of x. Whenever we get the remainder as 0, then we have to write g of x is a factor of p of x. But in this case, we got the remainder as minus 1. Therefore, we have to write the g of x is not a factor of p of x. Therefore, g of x is not a factor of p of x. Just look at the steps once again. First, yes, everyone's answer is correct, that is minus 1. Fakirappa, Nagappa, Lokesh give answer as minus 1. As the answer is correct. The next one, P of x equals to, third one, P of x equals to x cube minus 4x square, x cube minus 4x square. So write down the question along with me and try to solve. X cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Plus x plus 6, and g of x is x minus, g of x is x minus. You have the question in front of you. So which step we have to consider first? We have to consider g of x equals to 0. Okay, consider g of x equals to 0. So when we consider g of x equals to 0, then this becomes x minus 3 equals to 0. G of x 0 means x minus 3 equals to 0. This implies x is minus 3 becomes plus 3. When it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 3. The next step, we have to substitute x equals to 3 in the given polynomial. I'll add the step, substitute value of x in the given given polynomial. Just substitute and comment with answer. Sharda, Arvind, Rajeshwari and GP gave the answer as 0. Any other answers? Sangmesh, Gudaya, Lokesh gave the answer as 0. Now we'll check this whether the answer is 0 or not. So P of, so now x value is 3, P of 3. Okay, now we have to substitute that x value in the given polynomial. Therefore, x cube means x value is 3, d cube minus 4 into x value is 3 square plus x value is 3 plus 6. Correct? Then it becomes P of 3 equals to 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. We have to multiply 3 times. 3 is 9, 9 is 27 minus 4 into 3 square. 3 into 3, 3 is 9 plus 3 plus 6 becomes plus 9. The next step, P of 3 equals to 27 minus 4 9 is how much? 4 9 is 36 plus 9. Then P of, so 27 minus 36. Both are having different sign, that's why we have to subtract. 36 minus 27. 27, 37, 9. So sign of ISM is minus plus 9. It gives the remainder as 0. It gives the remainder as 0. So when the remainder is 0, so what we have to write? The given term, that is g of x, is a factor of the given polynomial p of x. Given term g of x equals to x minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial p of x equals to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Okay, but I will write the answer shortly. Therefore, g of x is a factor of p of x. Okay, I wrote here in the short form that g of x is a factor of p of x. So actually we have to write the given term g of x equals to x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial p of x equals to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Okay, just look at the steps once again. So Abhi, Suresh, Gauramma, Nagappa give the answer as 0. Yes, your answer is correct. I'll drop this. Next main, find the value of k. Okay, find value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor. So they give x minus 1 is a factor. So when they give x minus 1 is a factor, what we have to consider? X minus 1 equals to 0. And when x minus 1 equals to 0, that means x equals to 1. That means we have to consider value of x equals to 1 in the given polynomial and we have to find out the answer. So x minus 1 is a factor. So in the factor theorem we learned if p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1. The first case is if p of a equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor. And second case, that is this one. X minus a is a factor, then p of a equals to 0. Now they give x minus 1 is a factor and we have to find out value of k. I will write the polynomial. The polynomial is p of x equals to x square plus x square plus x plus k. Okay. So now we'll consider the factor theorem. According to factor theorem, p of x equals to 0. So this implies x minus 1 equals to 0. This implies x equals to 1. Okay, minus 1 becomes plus 1. Now we have to substitute in the given polynomial. So we have to consider p of x equals to 0. 0 equals to 1 square. Okay, x value is 1 square plus x value is 1 plus a. Okay, so we have to consider the second condition of the factor, that is if x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial, then p of a equals to 0. That means here we consider this p of 1 equals to 0. Otherwise I will write p of 1. P of 1 equals to 1 square plus 1 plus k. So then in the next step I will consider 0. So I will write since p of 1 is or p of 1 equals to 0. We have to add the reason. Okay, equals to 1 square means 1 plus 1 plus a. Then 0 equals to 1 plus 1 2 plus a. This implies k equals to plus 2. When it comes to other side it becomes minus. So therefore here value of k is minus. Just look at the steps once again. So Lokesh, your answer is wrong. The answer is not 0. And Parvati, answer is correct, minus 2. Goodaya, wrong answer. Sana, Lokesh, Falcon, give the answer as minus 2 as correct. PMB, k minus 2 is not the answer. K equals to minus 2 is the answer. Okay, who are understood this problem, just click on the like button. Okay, what we have to do? We have to consider according to factor theorem, p of x equals to 0. That means p of x equals to 0, it becomes x minus 1 equals to 0. Then value of x becomes 1. Then we have to substitute that in the given column. Now I will take the second one. P of x equals to so I will keep this step as it is because that is same for all the polynomials. So what is that? According to factor theorem, p of x equals to 0 and x minus 1 it becomes 0 and x value becomes 1. And the given polynomial is p of x equals to 2x square plus kx 2x square plus kx plus root 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So now I have to substitute. So what I have to substitute? I have to substitute x equals to 1 in the polynomial and I have to consider p of 1 as 0. So I will substitute P of 1 equals to 2 into x value 1 square plus k into x values 1 plus root 2. Then this is 0 since P of 1 equals to 0. So what it becomes? 2 into 1 square is 1 plus k plus root 2. Then 0 equals 2 into 1 2 plus k plus root 2 or k equals to, so I will take 2 and root 2 on the other side, becomes minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 becomes minus 2, similarly plus 2 becomes minus root 2. I will remove this minus sign outside, becomes minus 2 plus root. So minus I have removed outside from the terms, it gives minus in the bracket I will write 2 plus root. Okay, just look at the answer once again. Yes, Sana, GP, Sharada give the answer as minus 2 minus root 2, as your answer is correct. Parvati, answer is wrong. Now I will solve the next problem. And the third polynomial is P of x equals to kx square minus root 2x, kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So the given polynomial is P of x equals to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Now what is given here? If x minus 1 is a factor, so according to factor theorem, P of x equals to 0, then x minus 1 equals to 0, then x value becomes 1. Now I have to substitute x equals to 1 and P of 1 equals to 0 in the given polynomial. And substitute here P of 1 equals to k, x value is 1 square minus root 2, x value is 1 plus 1. Now simplify this and tell me the answer. First, comment me. Just simplify and comment me the answer. Shivu give the answer as root 2 minus 1. Okay, we will check the answer now. So what I have to consider? Answer 0. Since P of 1 equals to 0. Why P of 1 equals to 0? That is according to factor k. 1 square is 1 only minus root 2 into 1 root 2 plus 1. So we can't add this because one is rational number and one is irrational number. So then I will keep the k as it is and I will take this minus root 2 and plus on the other side. So minus root 2 becomes plus root 2, plus 1 becomes minus. Okay, minus root 2 when it comes to other side becomes plus root 2 and plus 1 when it comes to other side becomes minus 1. Just look at the steps once again. Yes, Lokesh, Sheena, Sana, your answer is correct. Then I solve another problem. So P of x is kx square minus 3x plus k. This is the given polynomial. So now what I have write according to factor theorem, P of x equals to 0. When P of x equals to 0, what it becomes? X minus 1 becomes 0. When x minus 1 becomes 0, x value becomes plus 1. So therefore now I have to substitute x equals to 1 and P of 1 equals to 0 in the given polynomial. First I will substitute P of 1 equals to k into 1 square minus 3 x value is 1 plus 3. Now comment me the answer fast. So I will consider this as 0 since P of 1 equals to 0. It becomes k into 1. 1 square is 1 into k is k minus 3 into 1 3 plus k. Then 0 equals to plus k it becomes plus 2k minus 3. Then 2k becomes minus 3 when it comes to other side becomes plus 3. This implies k equals to 3 by 2. Okay, k equals to 3 divided by. Just look at the answer also. Yes, 2 by 3 is the wrong answer. Sujata, Lokesh, Akash give the answer as 3 by 2. Yes, your answer is correct. Praneeth, PMB, Viresh, Fakirappa give the answer as 3 by 2. Jyoti, Shreya, Parvati, Sachin give the answer as 3 by 2. Yes, I think you understood. Okay, we will solve the remaining problem in the next class. Thank you.